I've been wanting to do a thrift flip for so long. Still haven't found anything.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can't no more.
Hey guys, and welcome back. I thought I would start this video off by just saying that I'm feeling much better now. If you hadn't realized in the last videos, I've been a little bit inconsistent. That is because I've had a lot of crap happen with my personal life and like even stuff at work and like just all at once. And then my body was like, hey, I can't handle this. And it went into total stress, anxiety, and of course migraines just like, you know, followed suit, I suppose. So I really just was not dealing with life. So I took a little bit of time to myself just to get back on track. Today I just went shopping and I can't say I went shopping. I went to the op shop and had a look because I really want to do a thrift flip, but I got my paint samples because I am looking at doing an outdoor makeover. I started like a outdoor makeover series, just like a mini makeover sort of series. But yes, I am looking at some stage doing that area. It's just going to be a matter of time and money. Unfortunately, it's going to take a fair bit of time because I am tiling again. Yep. I just can't get off it, can I? So yeah, I'm going to be tiling again, but yeah, I also need to pick out paint colors to do the doors and things like that. But yeah, so I'm going to look at doing like what I'm going to be doing so I can make it all consistent around the house and yeah, go from there. But I've recorded one of the videos. It's not that makeover that I'm doing, like not this makeover, but it is part of the yard. So you will see that. I just had to do something that it's going to bring me some joy. And, you know, getting out into that nice weather while the weather was nice was just one of those things that I really needed for that vitamin D and to make me feel better. And yeah, you can probably tell I am so much better, but I'm really sorry for not being transparent with you guys before. I suppose there's a time when you want to talk about things and there's a time when you don't sort of want to talk about things. But yes, so I'm just about to pick tea up and we're going to go to some display homes, and they got a big kids day there. So we're going to go to the kids day and the display homes and check them out. So your tiles are painted little bits of the bricks, the same colour as the facade there and on the eaves. It's really cool, isn't it? It's nice, isn't it? Look at the wood. I think you have to take your shoes off, Dad. Oh, look at the laundry. The laundry is pretty. I've got good taste in that. Oh, there's more bricks inside the house. It's like a VJ's sculpting. It's a good use of space. The toilet. The toilet's pretty. Mini rounds right up to the roof. It's like another living room. Is it pretty? Do you like the kitchen? It's all black. Oh, it's round and roof. It's cool, isn't it? It's a giant jumping castle. Woo! Oh, look at the doors, babe.
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look. And You have a heart of gold, and I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you. The moon awaits the night.
Oh my gosh.
The sun awaits the day. Yeah, and I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say.
Oh, can I do this? Whoa. Alright, your turn. Good choice.
It's my house.
Whose house do you like best? Yours? Or do you like my house? Mine looks a bit like a dog kennel house, doesn't it? But it's modern, apparently. I said we can have a look to see is there a kids playroom. This has got 2 living or 3 living areas, you see. It's massive. Oh my gosh. Well, it's got 2 shower screens, one there and one there. Never seen that before. You would have a bath. The fluted bath is very pretty though, isn't
Right. Good.
it? Is that funny? From Display Homes, I just had a meeting with the doctor just about my migraines and stuff, and I know that because I've been so stressed and yeah, just not being myself lately, I know that that's why they've just gotten really out of control, but I also just needed help with them before that anyway. So yes, he is sending me for brain scans, and I'm also getting a blood test, but my blood pressure come back so low, and he said he's really concerned about it. So anyway, that would be probably why I feel so tired and exhausted all the time, and just really lightheaded. So anyway, enough said about that. I've got my samples, so I thought we'd go through them together and just have a look at what I'm gonna do. I don't know what to do. It's just too many colours. Colours that are currently here are Dulux Classic Cream. That is on here, and I really don't want to paint the door that colour. I don't like the colour very much. I'd like to have something nice. And this is also the other colour, which is Mana Red. You can see there. It is not the same red as what's on the fence either. The same red that's on the fence is right there. So 2 different reds. I don't really like this red very much, but I can't be bothered changing it because it's up there, like all along the top there as well. Anyway, this is the other red I could do for the front door. I don't like it either. It was originally this red and I don't like it. So that's what I was trying to do, is work out what colour I can do for the front door that is going to go with these 2 colours, because I'm stuck with that because that is on the fence. I'm not going to spray the fence, again, too much work. And then I've got this colour which is all around the outside of the house. So yeah, I'm kind of stuck with them, so whatever I do has to go with this and the brickwork. Now this is like a deep black blue colour. I like it, but my builder always says never to go that on the door because it actually causes the door to bow, I'm guessing with all the heat and stuff. So the colours I was sort of recommended was June. Anyway, that's it there against the brick, and against the colour bond colour there. I don't know. I don't have to keep this colour on here. I could go, because this needs to be painted as well. So this colour here is on there, which is not a classic cream. Again, another colour. It is more of a white, off-white, I would say. So I could just go ivory on here and then do something like this, like soft feather, and then the dune there. And then whatever I do on here, I'm thinking I repeat that on the roof though. I'd probably go for the natural white, to be really honest. But yeah, that's probably what I would do. And then I can use the natural white on the roof. And they can go together. And then this colour for the door. This colour does look really nice with matte black handles too on doors. That is what would look like against the brick. I don't know. I just don't know. I also picked out, it's completely different, but it is, get in a good light again, an olive colour. I love an olive colour, but it's like a white olive colour. I think it's really, really pretty. And I don't mind it against the brick as well. I don't know. It probably would look better with the vivid white that I've already got there. So hard, so hard. Oh my golly gosh. Because I could go vivid white on here. I've got the paint already. And then go that colour there. And then just go vivid white on the roof. But these are more of like a warmer tone. The vivid white is more like a cooler tone. Oh, I consider it more as a true white, to be honest. But so my thoughts are, if I can get it right out here and work out what I'm going to put on the door and how I'm going to paint the ceiling and everything else, I'll know what to do around the side area, because around the side area, that's the area I want to make, like, do a makeover with and make like a little patio area. Okay, so this is the area I was talking about. I did a little mood board a while ago in one of my videos. I'll link it if I remember. But yeah, this is where I'm looking, but I'm thinking I'm going to render, because I want to do this bit as a feature wall. I was going to just paint it, but painting looks a bit dodgy. I was thinking if I render it, because originally I was going to render all of this side anyway. And then these window sills need to be fixed. Yeah, there's a story about that. Anyway, so we won't get into that today. They look nasty, so you can see that needs to be refixed. So the thing was, I thought I'll just fix it and then with the proper stuff, and then I can render over the whole lot and it'll be the same colour, and then it won't look dodgy. It'll just look like it's part of the wall, which is a good thing. So yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, so this is a tile selection that I've got as well. So this is exactly why I wanted to check out colours as well, because it needs to go with this, it needs to go with the brick. And then I'll be painting this door, whatever I'm going to paint out there. And then, yeah, so, yeah, I don't know. I just need to make up my mind so then I can create a consistency and a flow. But yeah, this is the colours. Can you see what I mean? I've got the red and the yellow already up there. Anyway, that's where I'm at. You feel free to give your opinion. I can take it. But there is too many colours, 100% too many colours. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you a quick before and after of what I'm going to do. And I am wearing some lovely attire today. This is what I'm looking like. Sorry, I haven't got a tripod at the moment, but yes, I am blistered right on the ankles from the last time I did this. I'm just gonna pressure wash this area and I'll show you a quick before and after so you can see what it looks like. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of inspiration at home to go and get these jobs done. It's one of those things that it requires patience because it does take that little bit of time. But yeah, that's just what I'm up to today. I've been to a kids party and hung out there for the day with a friend. So yeah, we haven't really done much to share at all, so thought I would just show you a quick before and after and we'll call it a day. So this is what the area is looking like. You can see where I've started, and yeah, I did end up doing the weeding here because it was weeds everywhere, so I just can't leave it like this before I return the pressure washer. Like, I have a pressure washer here that I'm borrowed, so I need to just get off my butt and get it done. So yes, I should quickly share with you an after picture. Okay, it's probably the worst day to show you, but this is the after. I forgot to actually do an after for you guys. But yeah, this is how it looks. It is raining, so it's probably looks a little bit darker than what it should. But yeah, that's where I'm at, and yeah, I think it's come up pretty good.